Hello, welcome along to my video. My name is John Botting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recruit 20 people a week into your network marketing business. And as I said, I'm John Botting, and I have over 30 years of network marketing experience, both online and offline, and have built teams of over 30,000 in previous companies and qualified for convention and everything else. And what I'm going to explain to you today is something that I have never come across before, that the normal person, just the normal average network marketer, can have a great deal of experience with and earn a decent level of income. And I'm talking about 4 figures per month with relative ease, but with some work. Okay, and that is the key here. It does take work, but once it's done, it is relatively easy, and it's available to anybody who's prepared to put a little bit of effort in to actually achieve. So let's go through the presentation. As I say there, it sounds too good to be true. I know, I can completely understand where you're coming from there. I've seen all this stuff before, and I can say to you with my hand on my heart that what I'm explaining to you today is absolutely genuine and does work, and I'm living proof of that. And I can understand why you feel like you do, because you've been told in the past that you need to go out and make a list of 100 names and phone numbers, people that you know, your accountant, your doctor, your dentist, your hairdresser, the person who walks the dog, the person who grooms the dog, the babysitters, your local vicar in your church. I mean, you name it, you've been told to write those names down and contact those people. And let's not forget family and friends and your next door neighbour and people you went to school with 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. Yes, we've been there. You know what it's all about, and it just doesn't work. And I feel your pain. I really do. So please believe me when I tell you 100% you can have 20 people a day if you want to, or even more, being added into your team using the method that I'm going to explain to you. And it is a system, and I will explain to you about how it works. But I'm going to keep it really, really simple, and I'm going to keep it realistic for most of you on there, because the thought of having 20 people a day going into your team just doesn't seem possible. And for most people, it isn't. But for some people, it is. But for a lot of people, it's realistic to have 20 people a week going into their team. But how do you have to do that? It's very simple. You just have a system. That's it. A system that is trained to everyone in your team, that they are all following, including you, and also including all of those people who are in your upline, all following the system and all putting the work in. It's a team pulling together, all working a system that is proven to work. So what is the system? Well, it's basically doing videos and blog posts. And I know that sounds ridiculous, right? Well, actually it isn't. Why? Because what we teach everyone is how to find the right videos to do, and what blog posts to write, and what keywords, which are the search terms that people are using to search for things, what they are doing and what gets found, so that the work that you put in is getting found by YouTube and by Google. But that's not all. What is key here is that the company that we are ranking for is not a mega well-known company, because if it is, this is very hard to do, because people that got into those companies years ago, way before you, have done what you will be doing with this company now, and you can't get your videos ranked. But if the company is not particularly well known, you can get the company to rank, and they sit there, and as the company starts to experience massive growth, which our company is just starting to experience now, it has grown double. It's doubled in size over the last 90 days, then you're getting your videos and your blog post positioned right. You are positioned absolutely perfectly to be where all those super top qualified people are in those other big companies are now, and how they're recruiting so many people into their teams. So we are ranking in the top spots now on Google and YouTube for that company, and we are dominating the online landscape for that company, and it will only get better. That means we're positioned very well to attract massive traffic to our thousands of articles and videos which are currently being ranked and will be ranked in the top spots. I want to explain to you this is not a get rich overnight thing. It takes work. If you're not prepared to work, do not join us. But would you be prepared to do something for 90 days knowing it will deliver 4 to 5 figures a month income for you, at least within 12 months' time or sooner? I think the answer is probably yes. We've been working on this now for 12 months, and it is now happening for us. The team is exploding alongside the company that we are partnered with. This is proven to work, and we teach you and we show you everything. So 20 people, 20 new people into your team every week is actually very achievable when you have a proven system that duplicates. And when you have a team that is also placing people direct to you as a thank you for working. That's correct. Our team places people into your downline direct to you without you doing anything from the advertising and the work that the team is doing as well as the work that you are doing. So the work that you're putting in is being duplicated 100% by the team as well. So as well as people going into your team from your links, they're going into your team direct to you using your link that the team is doing for you as well. So 20 people a week is actually just the start. So no excuses now. It's free to get in. We are global. All you need to do is take the test drive. You literally have nothing to lose. It's free to join. So wherever you are in the world, you are welcome into our family. All you need to do is click the link. As I said to you, just click the link now. Click our team information page below. You'll see that in the description box. Join it for free. Take the test drive. You have nothing to lose. Join our free Facebook group. Get excited, get working, and welcome to HB Vitality, your natural path to financial freedom. Click the link below, join our Facebook group, take the test drive, and I will see you on the inside. Thank you very much for your time today. Get excited because there's a lot to get excited about, and click that link. Thank you and goodbye.